Welcome back to my channel. On an earlier video, we were working in the back light on the house, and I said eventually I wanted to get a sensor light with a camera. Well, I was in Home Depot yesterday and I seen this Geenie sensor light with a camera, and it was right around the price point I was looking to spend. No idea if it's any good, so what I'm going to do is, I haven't opened it yet, I'm going to open it up, try it in the house first, and then hook it up and see how it works out there. Best thing to do with a kitchen knife is use it to open a box. Shh, don't tell anyone. Okay, see what we got. Okay, so what do we have? Connections, the light, instructions. It's really packaged well. There we go. And the mountain base. Okay, so we don't need that. We don't need that. This also hooks up to, says on the box, Alex and Google. So it works with, and I have both of them here so I can try it on both. The Alex is hooked up to the TV. It's on the cube they have, because my smart TV, the processor was too slow. So I got the cube and it has built-in Alex. And the Google I have just has a little round things. I use it to listen to news and stuff. There's no screen on it, so it's probably going to hook it up to Alex and try it on that. And I'm going to see if I can get it on Google to say, hey Google, turn on my garage light, back door, backyard. I don't know what I'm going to name it yet. Okay, so what do we have? The screws will be in there. Let's see what we got in here. Yeah, those two screws are what will go through here, through the front plate, and hook this in place. And two packets, I think there shouldn't be two, I think there should be one. And this, okay, looks like a weatherproof connection. It's almost as if this is not supposed to go over an electrical box, and that's what my intention is. I have an existing electrical box, I want to put that over it, but from what I'm seeing here, if they got three connections here, this just goes on there, and then you got a wire that comes through, and then those connections makes it watertight to go through. That's not how we're hooking this up. So time will tell how it gets done. If I can't get it over my electrical box, it's absolutely useless to me. This particular light is not designed to hook up to a typical socket that goes outside, that you hook a regular outside outlet to. This would normally be inside your wall, and when you get a light, an outside light, it would have a bracket that screws into here and then adjusts, and then your light screws into that, and then the light comes right up against, and then you put a bead of silicone or caulking around it, and you're done. You hook the wires, would go inside the box. This is what threw me off, was this. This is a waterproof connection. Wires coming inside, your house wires go on this side, and it's waterproof. Well, when you got a regular light, it goes on here, it's basically waterproof. It's not required, unless this is for a wall mount. Now, when I say, here's a bracket that screws to this. This goes inside here. After this is mounted to the wall already. So, if you take that the bracket, and if you have that hooked onto your wall, it needs to stick out this way. And here's a bracket to hold the light. There's no way to get this bracket over there. There's no way to screw this bracket in. It's got an arrow for up. So, for one, if you got an existing light, can't use it. Can't use that bracket, can't use this light. And if you decide to somehow arrange it to get this a little higher or a little lower, you get a 1 or 2 screws in. And then when it goes on here, you take the existing screws that come here and you screw through the front here. That leaves a gap. And by code, you can't have any outdoor light that goes into a box with a gap. It has to be flush mount. So therefore, if you got existing lights on your house, this is not the light to buy. This light is designed to, let me set that down. Okay, now get your face down here. So I brought a piece of wood out, and let's see if I can get you dead on it. Okay, just pretend this is a wall. That screws, that's why it comes with 3 screws and brackets if you got to drill through concrete. So there's your 3 holes. And you can drill your holes in and you put a bit of caulk in on the holes ahead of time, so therefore you got no leak. And then your wire, you don't have room to come back, so you have to get your market roughly right around here and then drill a hole and push your wire through. That's the only way this light would work. It's not designed to go on this. It's designed to go on a flat wall and run a wire. So if you got that, don't buy it, because for one, it's against building code and it doesn't fit anyway. Can't I mount this light? Yes, I can. I just have to find a spot on the house, screw it in flat, and run a wire to it, and it's fine. But as far as running it where an existing light goes, can't do it. Okay, so I'm going to take everything, put it back in the box, take it back to Home Depot, and explain to them that this light is designed to be mounted on a flat wall, outside of course. It's not designed to go into the boxes in the wall. It can't be done. It's against building code. That's for my review of the Home Depot's Geenie Sentry Plus. It looks like a good light, but I'm not going to go through the hassle of getting it hooked up to Alex, my phone, screwing it into a wall where I have existing hydro already run into the wall. So for me, it's going to be twice the amount of work to run electrical over to it. Anyway, that's my review. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye for now.